The biggest problem is that if you got curly and wavy hair, how do you manage it? See, our hair type is very hard to manage and maintain throughout the day. So today I'm gonna show you not only how to achieve the curly hairstyle, but how to make it look good all day. Number 1. You have to use the right shampoo and the right conditioner. When it comes to curly hair, dryness is your number one enemy. See, when curly hair gets dry, it just becomes frizzy and uncontrollable. This is why you want to make a switch over to hydrating shampoos and conditioners that don't overly strip your hair from the essential oils that it needs, so your hair stays hydrated even after a wash. Which takes us on to rule number 2. Use shampoo every other 3 days and condition every single day. The biggest mistake that most guys make is that they shampoo their hair or wash their hair every day, and now you're overly drying your hair and your curls are frizzing up and now it's uncontrollable. Shampoo your hair every 3 days, but condition your hair every single day. What this does is that you can put in 2 to 3 solid washes a week, and then those days in between you're conditioning your hair, which does a soft wash. It removes the sweat and the daily dirt without removing those oils and rehydrating the curls. Now your curls look thicker and shinier all day. Number 3. Use a curling cream. If your hair type is wavy or curly, I don't want you to use wax. I don't want you to use pomades or any sort of clays or anything that's too pasty, tacky, or will give you that matte look. This looks great on straight hair. If you want curls, you want to get rid of those products and instead use a curling cream. A curling cream is soft. It won't make your hair hard, but it'll do the main job, which is what you want. It'll keep your curls hydrated. Number 4. Never style your hair when it's dry. The biggest mistake guys will make is that they'll wait too long to start styling their hair. If you have the curly or wavy hair type, you don't want to be brushing your hair when it's dry. It's gonna create too much frizz and too much volume. It then becomes uncontrollable, and no matter how much or how good the product is, you're not gonna tame that. Your goal is as soon as you step out the shower, this is when you start styling your hair. This is when you apply your curling cream, because this is when your hair is full of moisture that you're gonna want to look in. Number 5. Use the scrunch technique. You just stepped out the shower. You've towel dried your hair, so it's a little bit damp. You've untangled it with the brush. This is when you come in with that curling cream. You apply about a dime to quarter size amount depending on how much hair you have, and then you apply from the roots all the way to the top. And then you start doing the scrunch technique. This is when you start scrunching your hair to really get in those curls and waves that you're looking for. And the beauty of this technique is that it is different. That's really where the attractiveness comes. You're not gonna look like every other dude. Which ultimately takes us to number 6, and it's to not use heat. It over dries your hair. So after you are done putting your curling cream, it acts as a leave-in conditioner where it conditions your hair all day. Now your hair looks more healthy. It looks thicker, it looks softer, it has that bounce all day, and it naturally dries. It also saves you time in the morning to not have to be blow drying your hair, and it avoids you overly damaging your hair with heat. And that's basically it for this video, guys. Those are 6 tips you want to follow to make sure you're controlling your curls. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below and subscribe for more videos.